Please make sure you get my hand. Anyways, we're gonna do an unboxing on Mobile Legends M4 statue figurine, blah blah blah. All who know me, they know I take this game seriously. For all the people who know the game, for all who don't know, y'all living on a fucking rock. Anyways, we're gonna unbox this M4 statue championship, blah blah blah. Okay, get out of here. Okay, so it comes in this. So that's the Stellar Brilliance Beatrix, you know, 1/9 scale from Shanghai. Mobile Legends, bang bang. We'll unbox this. If I can get it unboxed. Probably not. Please ignore the background noise. We got some Hernandez and Ramirez in the background. Anyways, we're gonna get this shit open. If we can freaking open it. What the fuck? Boom, boom. It's way easier to open it than I expect. Alright, so a lot of freaking plastic. That's next. Some high definition sticker or whatever. Okay, so that's the instructions. Boom. Boom. This is cool. Never got something this nice in my life. Who's watching me, huh? I don't want to look behind. So anyways, I don't want to freaking So okay, so we got the gun stuff in here. Okay, let's put the gun on. Please don't get them in the background. Please don't get them. Try not to get them. I don't even know how to put this crap on. Don't get my face. I don't even know how to put it on. Anyways, hold on. I don't even know what the frick I'm doing. We're gonna pause the video, leave. So anyways, after a few tries, Moonton, you guys did not do a good job. I'm not bashing the company, but like, I barely touched this shit. Like, and it literally fell off. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. Let's get in the camera. Like this part and this part. Right here. Freaking 2 pieces fucking fall off. But I'm probably gonna have to get some fucking crazy glue or some shit and glue this shit together. But anyway, this is the M4 championship thing. That's it. Beatrix, blah 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 blah, right there. But the main thing with this freaking statue is, one, the tiara would literally fall off. I barely touched these and these popped off. Like, someone probably have to glue it in or something. I literally just freaking barely touched it. So guys, be careful when you get yours. Like, no, I'm not tripping. See? Someone have to glue it. But that's it. The Beatrix M4 statue. See? It literally just popped off. It don't even stay in place. So I think they could have done better with it. But yeah, that's the video, guys. Stop.